Hi everyone. So here's a short video on one topic that I have been asked about again and again and again. A lot of you sent me messages after my last video that as you approach the full moon, you feel very emotional, you feel very drained, you also feel like crying a lot, and sometimes you just end up arguing with your loved ones, fighting with your loved ones for no reason. If nothing else, it just feels like you're over emotional. So why does this happen, and what is the solution to that? So what happens is that the moon in particular controls the emotions in our body, and because moon controls the emotions in our body, it tends to uh, touch upon the old traumas or the hurts that we may have, or emotional baggage that we may be carrying. We may not be thinking too much about what somebody said to us couple of months back or couple of years back, but in the subconscious mind it's there. And when we get in touch with our emotions, when we are very emotional, when the moon is on, the moon is growing, or when we're reaching a full moon or a super moon, or an eclipse, this tends to come up immediately. So some people will in fact notice a pattern where they constantly feel overly emotional, very, they feel like crying when they're approaching a full moon. Few days before that, few days after that, they in fact tend to become very irritable. Some people feel bloated, some people feel pains and aches in their body because it's the trauma that hasn't been released. So that all happens because of the full moon and the effect that it has on our emotions. Now, what needs to be done to get over this, or if this is happening to you, what's the remedy? So the remedy is very simple. Full moons are for two things. One is cleansing, one is release. Full moon is about completion. So full moon is a perfect time to work upon the completion of cycle for these emotions, negative emotions as well, and we bring them back to the entire cycle, and we bring them to the end of the cycle rather, and we let them go. So how do you do that? Make sure that you do some sort of cleansing in your surroundings on a full moon day. You can we do that on Amavas as well, but if you're trying to heal certain past traumas or issues like that, or if you're going to be working on a negative emotion and you want to let go of it, then a cleansing is a must. So for example, if you have health issues, then you could be cleansing your dining table, you could be cleaning out your fridge on a full moon day. If you feel that you have issues with your relationship, it's a very good thing to wipe your bed with salt water or Van oil. For all of you who follow me regularly, I'm a great fan of Florida water and Van oil, which is always with me. So you can use either of these. If nothing else does, simple salt water will do. Just wipe your almirah, just wipe your bed, your bedroom furniture with this, and it'll be clean. It'll be a clean slate to work with. Second thing that you do is you release these energies. Now, how do you release these emotions? So the best way to release an emotion is to talk about it, but there are certain relationships, certain experiences that either we've lost in touch with, or it's not really possible to communicate because of various issues. So what you can do is, here's a very simple ritual that you can do. In fact, a lot of my followers regularly do it. On a full moon, take a white sheet of paper. It's okay, it can be ruled, it can be unruled. Take a blue pen because blue is neutral. You may also take black, green, whatever you feel drawn to. Write down all your negative emotions. Write down about anything that's hurt you. Write down about anything that somebody said to you that's hurt you. Don't write about how they should face the music, or how you would want them to come back to you. We're releasing the emotion, remember. We're not projecting something negative, because that's not how I operate. You all know that. So just write out all your emotions. Write like you're writing a letter to that person, you're writing a letter to the universe. Once you do that, sit with it for some time. Believe that all your negative emotions are going into that paper, and then you burn it. But do so outside of your house. If you have a first floor house, or if you live in a flat, go to your balcony and do that, or at a window. Burn it, release the ashes to the universe, and believe that these negative emotions are now leaving you, the hurt is now leaving you. Now, this is something that will not get sorted in one ritual, or one full moon ritual. Try and do it every full moon. If you feel that the burden of a certain trauma or event or experience is lightening up, you can start working on something else, something that you would want to do away with. This could be your health issues, this could be your financial blockages, so that when the new moon begins, and Amavas tak aate aate, when the moon is waning after that, that emotion sort of dies down and you make place for new fresh experiences and emotions when the moon is growing again. So that's how you release the negative emotions, negative events, negative experiences from your being and from your aura. Make sure that after this whole procedure you take a bath. Take a comforting bath, no salt water bath required, nothing, just take a comforting bath. And if you have extra virgin coconut oil, make sure that you rub it on your hands, you rub it on your feet, the soles of your feet, to seal your aura, so that the negativity that you've released does not come back to you. So do try this and let me know. I would remind you again that this is not something that would happen over one full moon ritual. This is something that you'll need to constantly feed and do. If you skip 1 or 2 full moons, that's okay. Continue from the next one. You may be traveling, or you may be working at one full moon. You preferably do this when the moon is up in the sky, but if not, then you can do it anytime during the full moon day. Follow your panchang. Your local panchang will tell you the dates, the time of the full moon, and you can do that. If you have any other queries, please feel free to put it down in the comments, or reach out to me on my Instagram, on my Facebook, or just put in a comment here and I'll get back to you. Till then, take care and release all that negativity. Make place for the new energy to come in. Bye-bye.